CAT 2024 Slot 2 puzzle number 4. This puzzle had a lot of calculations, so was quite lengthy, but yes, it is still doable. Let's do it. Two plots below gives the information about six firms A, B, C, D, E, and F, and for 2019 and 2023. There are two charts given, bubble charts we can call them. PAT, which is on the y-axis, it shows the firm's profit after taxes in rupees crores. ES, which is on the horizontal axis, x-axis, that is showing the employee strength, that the number of employees in the firm in that particular year. Then PRD is the percent of the firm's PAT, that how much amount of the tax profit they are spending on research and development R&D. Then they've explained a bit further in the plots, the horizontal and vertical coordinates of point representing each firm gives their ES and PAT values respectively, that we just said. The PRD value of each firm are proportional to the areas around the points representing each firm. Now the area of a circle, that we know, that is pi r square. That is the area of a circle, so that is going to be proportional to that. Their areas are comparable between the two plots, that is equal areas in the two plots for the same PRD, the percentage of firms PAT they are spending on R&D on 2 years. The information is given to us. Now, the first question they say, assume that the annual rate of growth in PAT over the previous year remained constant over the years for each of the six firms. Which among the firms A, B, C, E had the highest ARG? Now the difference is 4 years, so whatever amount, whatever percentage is higher, that's going to be my answer. I don't need to find it average per year. I can easily do it by finding out the total percentage change. Now for the total percentage change, we know the formula that we always take, that is final value minus initial value divide by initial value multiplied by 100. Let's find it out. It says for firm A, first of all. So let's check it out for the firm A. For the firm A, it is in 2019, it is 3000, and it rose to 3900. That means the difference is 300. Sorry, difference is 900 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100. So for A, the percentage increase was 30%. Let's check for B. For B, here it is 2800. Here is 3800. Difference is 1000. Divide by 2800 into 100. So that is somewhere less than 40%, I can say. The next we have C. For C, we have it is 2400. 3000, that is 600. Divide by 2400 into 100. So this is 100 on the table of 6, 425. So this is 25%. And the last which we have for E, for E we have this is 2400 and this is 3500. So the difference is 1100 divided by 2400 multiplied by 100. So that comes out to be 24 into 496. It's going to be greater than 45%. Now the question was which among the firms has the highest ARG? So that is for the firm E. So that is the answer. I think quite easy. Yes, it involves calculations. I don't say no to that, but yes, still quite easy if I compare with the cat. Doable question. The next question in this puzzle, that is the ratio of money spent by firm C on R&D in 2019 to 2013 by firm C. The firm C PAT in 2019 was 2400. We have to find out 2400 multiplied by pi r square, that is the area, by percentage. So we have to multiply because we have to find out the percentage also. Divide by 2003 for C, it is 3000. So 3000 into pi r square. Now in this case, r gonna be separate. Now what we can see, we can easily see that if I check the radius for C in 2019, that is 1.5 rectangle, like one rectangle till here and then again half till here. Here it is only one. So let's say the width of a rectangle, let's say it is 2x. So in the case of 2019, it is going to be 3x whole square. And in the case of 2023, it is just one rectangle, that means 2x whole square. Please understand what exactly I'm doing. I'm taking this complete part as 2x, and the half of it, that we are taking x. So the complete rectangle width which we have, that is 2x, and then the half of this if we have, that is x. So on that basis we find here the radius 2x, here the radius 3x. Now if I cancel them out, 6 into 4, 6 into 5, now this becomes 4 into 3x ka whole square, that is 9x square, divide by 5 into 2x square, 4x square, x square cancel, 4 4 cancel. The ratio going to be 9 by 5, that is 9 is to 5. That gives me the answer. Again a doable one, just using a bit calculations. The next question which they have, which among the firms ACEF the maximum PAT per employee? So for firm A in 2023, so we have to check here. For A, the PAT is 3900. Divide by number of employees, that is 1300. So that comes out to be equal to 3. For firm C, this is 3000 by 800. That comes out to be 3.75. Then for E, it is 3500 divided by 1400. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 5, 5 by 2, that is 2.5. And then for F, it is 3200 divided by 1000. That is 3.2. So this puzzle actually involves questions, and every question has a different calculation. Like in the previous puzzles, there was not much calculations involved, but this puzzle definitely has some calculations, but still doable. Again, I'm repeating it, doable. Now the question is maximum pad that we have for C 3.75. Rest all is less than that. So the answer is form C. Then the next question: which among the firm C, D, E, F had the least amount of R&D spending (PRD) per employee? So C, D, E, F. Let's find out. For C, if I check in 2023, again we have to look into this chart. Now R&D spending we have to check with the area, and for area we need to find out. Before that we need to see the PAT amount. So for C, the PAT amount is 3,000. For D, that is 2,400. For E, the PAT is 3,500. For F, it is 3,200. Now, the area that we have to find out, the pi gonna be common everywhere. Pi r square, I mean. We have to see which is has the least amount spending per employee. So we have to find out per employee also. So for C, it is 3,000 by 800. For D, it is 2,400 by 800. For E, this is 3,500 by 1,400. Sorry. And for F, we have by 1,000. This we just calculated last, I believe, the last question, somewhat like this it was. Just the only difference is now they are talking about R&D. So for R&D, pi r square, in the case of C, like I'm going with the same case, the complete is 2x and the half is x. For C, it has to be 2x square, that means 4x square. For D, again 4x square. For E, it is 9x square, 3x whole square, that is 9x square. And for F, again it is 2x square, that is 4x square. Now, if they ask the least amount, what easily I can do? I know the pi are all common, so I can just ignore them. X square I can ignore. I need to calculate the rest of the things, right? Now, the least amount from where I can get, let's understand that. For C, it is going to be 15. For D, it is going to be 12. For E, it is 7 into 5, 7 into 3, 5 into 9, 45, that 5 and 3. That means this is 5 into 3, again 15. For F, 64 by 5, that is 12.8. So the lowest we are getting for D, the answer is D. That is the answer once again I have. Again, the calculation part, nothing else. That is all in this puzzle. There are only four questions. Yes, it was quite time taking, a bit time taking, not much, I believe. But yes, if one is sitting in the exam, they can do it very easily. I hope you guys understood it well. If you guys have understood it, I hope you guys will like it, comment it, and definitely will share to your friends also, so maximum people can take the benefit from the videos. Thank you so much for watching.